Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing the best free online courses that offer certificates. Let's get started. First up, Coursera. Now, you've probably heard of it, but here's the trick. Tons of courses are free to audit, but if you want a certificate, look for their Coursera free guided projects, or check out their Coursera for Campus Student program. Some universities also offer full courses with free certificates. Search for free certificate in the filters. You'll find topics from Google, Yale, and more. The certificates are legit and look great on LinkedIn or your resume. Next, EDX. Similar story. EDX is packed with courses from Harvard, MIT, and other top schools. EDX often runs promotions or financial assistance programs that let you get the certificate for free. Apply for financial aid when you enroll. It takes a few minutes, but it's worth it if you want that official badge. Now let's talk about Google Digital Garage. Google offers a bunch of free courses, and many come with certificates. No strings attached. My favorite is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. It's 100% free, self-paced, and you get a certificate straight from Google. Another platform is Allison. Everything here is free, and you can get a digital certificate at no cost for many courses. They cover everything from IT to business to personal development. Make sure to select courses labeled Free Certificate. The last one is Future Learn. They offer free short courses from universities around the world. While not every course gives a free certificate, some do, especially during special promotions. Keep an eye out for those, and you can snag a certificate for $0. Alright, that's my no BS list of the best free online courses with certificates. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tips like this. And if you want to discover the best free online video editors, no download needed, check out my next video right up here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.